Family wounds and crime, when unhealed pain spills into the world. Good morning, everyone. Today we are talking about a difficult but important truth. Many crimes begin not with evil intentions, but with unhealed family wounds. This does not excuse crime, but it helps us understand where it often starts. The Bible tells us, above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Proverbs 4, verse 23. What is not healed in the heart will eventually be expressed in behavior. What are family wounds? Family wounds are deep emotional injuries formed inside the home. They may come from constant criticism or humiliation, violence or shouting, neglect or emotional absence, favoritism or rejection, betrayal or broken trust. These wounds often remain unspoken, but they shape a person's choices. The heart is deceitful above all things and beyond cure. Who can understand it? Jeremiah 17, verse 9. Only God can fully heal what families sometimes damage. From wounds to wrong choices. When wounds are ignored, people look for relief. Anger looks for a target. Pain looks for escape. Insecurity looks for power. Fear looks for control. This can lead to theft, driven by desperation, violence, driven by rage, addiction, driven by escape, sexual sin, driven by confusion and exposure. Do not be deceived. Bad company corrupts good character. 1 Corinthians 15 verse 33. But before bad company, there is often a broken home. Children are the most vulnerable. Children absorb pain they do not understand. When children grow up with unresolved family wounds, they may act out in school, join harmful peer groups, reject authority, normalize violence or dishonesty. Fathers, do not provoke your children to anger. Ephesians 6, verse 4. Provocation creates rebellion, not obedience. Crime is a symptom, not just a sin. The Bible teaches personal responsibility, but it also reveals root causes. A good tree cannot bear bad fruit. Matthew 7 verse 18. Crime often reveals absence for guidance, lack of discipline, unmet emotional needs, exposure to unhealthy examples. Addressing crime means healing families, not only punishing behavior. God's call to healing before harm. God invites us to deal with pain before it comes destruction. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11, verse 28. Healing the heart prevents harming others. So we have to break the cycle. Breaking the cycle of wounds and crime. Cycles of violence and crime do not end with stronger laws alone. They end with healed hearts and restored homes. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. Romans 12, verse 21. One healed parent can change a generation. One safe home can change a community. So this is a word of hope. If you are listening and you carry deep family wounds, hear this. Your pain does not define your future. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147, verse 3. What was broken in you does not have to be passed on. So, from Psalm 51, verse 10, create in me a clean heart, O God. God bless everyone. Have a good day.